Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Telangana unemployment. Navigating unemployment benefits can feel overwhelming, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We'll cover everything from understanding who qualifies to submitting your application smoothly. Our goal is to ensure you have all the information needed to successfully apply for the support you deserve. Let's get started and make this process as clear as possible. To be eligible, you must be a Telangana resident, unemployed, and actively looking for new employment opportunities. You'll need several key documents. Prepare your Aadhaar card, proof of residence, and educational certificates. Additionally, have your bank account details ready for direct benefit transfer. A comprehensive employment history will also be crucial for your application. Ensuring you have these prepared will streamline your application process significantly. The application process begins on the official Telangana government unemployment portal. First, register and create your profile. Then, carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring all personal and employment details are accurate. Next, upload scanned copies of all your supporting documents, making sure they meet the specified file size and format requirements. Double-check everything before final submission to avoid any delays. After submitting your application, you'll receive a reference number. Use this number to track your application status on the portal. Be prepared to respond quickly if the department requests any further information or clarification. Timely responses can prevent delays in processing your benefits. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you successfully apply for unemployment benefits in Telangana.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.